Line has been initiated. T-minus 10 minutes and counting.
That begins terminal count. Our new T0 is 6:35 p.m. Eastern Time. 6:35 p.m. Eastern Time. We are now counting down to liftoff of Artemis 2. From now on, you're going to hear two voices on the loops. If everything goes nominally, NASA Test Director Jeff Spaulding, who's directly managing the launch team, and Alex Bendelos, the GLS operator who closely monitors the software. He has the ability to stop and restart the countdown. The rocket and my colleague Gary Jordan take over commentary.
GLS go, Mary 11.
Great call out. The rocket is on its own.
Last time, passing 1 minute, approaching max Q.
On, turn on. Stand, we have you loud and clear on 5 on. Have you the same?
Communication signal transfer confirmed as integrity and its crew go supersonic. Approaching 90 seconds into the Artemis 2 mission. Integrity is 14 miles in altitude, 8 miles downrange, traveling more than 2,600 miles per hour. Firm separation. Main engines throttling up, guidance confirmed.
Guidance confirmed. Performance nominal. Upper stage RPS ready.
Seconds of mission elapsed time into the Artemis 2 mission. Thrusters on integrity and upper stage confirmed in a ready state ahead of service module fairing separation.